Hey guys, John Alder here from Codemy.com. So a couple of days ago, I posted a video announcing this cool Django website that I just built that connects to ChatGPT, the OpenAI API, and does a bunch of code stuff for you. So it can suggest code, it can fix code, it can record all your past stuff. You can log in, you can log out, you can register for the site, all that stuff. Ever since that video, I've been getting a ton of emails from you guys asking all kinds of questions. So I thought I'd just take a couple of minutes to answer some of those. One of the things you guys have asked is, in the video, I just did a couple of basic examples. What's the point of this? Like, what's really the use? Well, if you go to the suggest thing here and you type in, let's just say, create a Django urls.py file that imports views. And then let's say, create a home, contact, about, and login URL. I don't know, something like that. So then we come down here, select Python from the list of all the different languages. And you can see there's a ton of different languages to choose from. And then just click submit. This will connect to the API, the OpenAI, DaVinci 003 thing. And boom, just like this, we've got the exact urls.py file that I would create for a Django project that, we needed 4 pages, a home page, contact page, about page, and a login page. Just like that, boom, we don't have to write that code. So you could do this for whatever you're working on. Hey, make me a tkinter project that does this, this, and this. It will spit this right out. Now I can just copy this. And if I head over to click this little button up here, and if I head over to my text editor, and let's say file, new file, I can just paste this in. If I file save as, I'm not going to because I don't want to save it in this thing, but we can come down here to syntax and then Python, and then boom, there we go. It works. So I'm going to go ahead and close this because this project already has a urls.py file right here. But you can see, very, very cool. Now this leads to one of the other questions people have been asking. Why do we need this? Can't you just connect to the ChatGPT and do it there? Why do we have to create a whole website? That's a pretty good question, but you guys aren't quite thinking this through because this website allows you to log out, log in, and register. So it would be very easy for you to set up a payment processor in front of this register page, Stripe, PayPal, whatever, and charge people for access to this thing. Make it look nicer than this. I just used a basic Bootstrap theme here. You could use any theme, make it fancy AI looking. We've got this thing, we can log in. And again, yeah, but why would people pay for that? Can't they just go to ChatGPT and use it there? Yes, but most people don't really know about ChatGPT yet. Ordinary people, normal people, new coders that would really benefit something like this, a lot of people don't know about it. We know about it because we're like super coder people, right? We're in the know. We know about this. But I've talked to my friends, like my best friends, hey, have you heard about this thing? They're like, no, they don't know anything about it. So there's still a gap to where you can create services around this thing and sell it, and I say jump on this. And if you want to do that and you want to learn how to do this, this course is great for that. Also, this is just fun. We're going to learn things like how to format code on a screen. That's just kind of fun. How to, we got this little copy thing. How did I do that? It's interesting to learn. All kinds of cool stuff. Log in, log out. If you're not super familiar with Django and you're not really up on authentication, you're going to learn quick and easy authentication. I set up the authentication for this in the course in 3 or 4 videos. I mean, boom, we did it fast. Because it's not that complicated, but if you don't know it, it is complicated. So check this course out. Like I said, if you head over to Codemy.com and come down here, normally, if you just buy one course, it's $49. I mentioned in the video a couple of days ago, I'm offering a massive discount on that. So there's a couple of ways to get this cheap. So come over here, click on the enroll button. You can either take $200 off lifetime membership with this coupon code I'm about to show you. So click on discount code, type in ChatGPT1, click on apply, boom, $200 off lifetime membership. That will get you all of my courses, over 50 courses. I think we're pushing 55 by now. I got to count them again, but something like close to 55. And every month I'm trying to release 2 or 3 new courses this year. We've got an aggressive schedule. So if you want to get all my future courses at no extra charge, one-time fee at $49, that's fantastic. Another way to get this cheap is if you click here and instead of signing up for that, maybe you just want monthly membership. So for $12, you can get monthly membership, take that course and any other courses you want in the next month, and then cancel your membership. So I would wait till the end of the month before you cancel it, because when you cancel it, I think my system is set up to close your account immediately, but you don't want that. Just, wait towards the end of the month after you've watched all the videos and then cancel it. You don't owe anything else. I don't care. It doesn't matter to me if you cancel after 1 month. That's cool. Whatever, floats your boat. So that's a way to get that course for just $12 essentially. And also you can take any other course you want as well. So if you're not familiar, head over here. This is a list of all my courses. here at Codemy.com. We've got, basic programming language courses like Python, Ruby, JavaScript, HTML, Bootstrap, PHP, and stuff like that. We've got a few Kinter courses. Most of my Kinter courses are over at tkinter.com now, but we still have a few, it looks like 4 of them, older Kinter courses that you can take. There's some database courses, MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Node with SQL, a bunch of Django courses. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's also that other ChatGPT course I released a few weeks ago that just shows you how to make a chatbot with GPT. That's pretty cool. Some older Ruby on Rails courses. Now these are old and sort of out of date, but they're still are going to teach you the basics of Ruby on Rails. They're just using Rails version 4, I think. Right? I think we're up to 7 or 8 now on Ruby on Rails. So a little bit out of date, but you get the fundamentals at least. Several Node courses, some PHP courses, some other odds and ends that are kind of fun. Of course, 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not happy for any reason, no big deal. Shoot me an email, get you a refund immediately. It takes a couple of days for the banks to actually process it and send you the money, but right away, as soon as it's humanly possible, I'll go ahead and refund you. No big deal, no hard feelings whatsoever. And that's all there is to it. So check it out. This course was a lot of fun. I've been making a lot of courses lately, but this one, let me pull it up here. This one has really been pretty much the funnest one I've done in a while because we're doing all kinds of cool stuff here. We're not just creating a Django website. We're connecting it to the ChatGPT, OpenAI, DaVinci text completion model API. And we're not just doing that. We're doing it in a specific way that you might not have seen before in order to only return code results. So if you want to know how to do that, check out this course. We're also doing some other things and formatting the text on the screen. Like I said, all this stuff, saving this all to the database, that's sort of interesting. So, this was a fun one. I had a good time. So if you're into geeky stuff like this, if you're interested in ChatGPT and all this OpenAI stuff, definitely check this out. In the future here, I'm going to be doing more and more artificial intelligence videos on YouTube. I'm going to start a playlist here pretty soon with PyTorch, I think, which is a deep learning framework, I guess you would call it, that a lot of machine learning and especially deep learning people use. It's really cool. So we're going to do that. If you head over to the YouTube channel, so YouTube, and then I think it's Codemy.com is my channel. Yes. And you click on playlists. We've got a couple of machine learning type playlists. We've got the Pandas for machine learning playlist that looks like 21 videos. We've also got a NumPy one, right here, that looks like 9 videos. So you can get the basics. PyTorch uses NumPy a little bit here and there. All machine learning and deep learning uses NumPy in some way, shape, or form. So if you're familiar with that, that'll be good. But there's so many cool things happening in artificial intelligence these days. I'm definitely going to be spending more time talking about it on the channel. But if you're interested right now, grab this course, $49 for the course, or, if you just come back here, click on lifetime membership, sign up, click right there, type in ChatGPT1, click apply, boom, $200 off. Awesome. Grab that. So this code is only good for the next 5 days, but I set that yesterday, so only 4 more days. So if you're interested, grab this now before this coupon code expires, and that should be cool. So my name is John Elder from Codemy.com, and I'll see you guys in the next video.